Good morning, everyone. My name is Manpreet Kaur from Akal Academy, Kodivada. So, dear students, today we will do articles. Okay, I hope all of you know about vowels and consonants. So, let's remind again what are vowels and what are consonants. So, basically, these five alphabets we call vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are vowels. And what are consonants? All rest alphabets except vowels are called consonants. Okay, so you have to keep remember in your mind that these five alphabets: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so now our topic is articles. Okay, today we will learn how and where we use articles. Okay, so basically these three words, a and the, two, these we call articles. Okay, so now our question is where we use articles. Okay, so where we use articles, we use articles before nouns. Okay, before nouns we use articles. Okay, like here before noun a, an or the can come. Okay, so now our question is where we use a, an and the. So dear students, where we use an, we use an before that word. Firstly we will pronounce that word. Okay, firstly we will pronounce that word if in the starting there is vowel sound. If there is vowel sound, vowels means a, e, I, o, u. From these, okay, if there is vowel sound then we use an. Like one example, ear. Okay, ear. So in this, firstly we will pronounce this. Firstly we will pronounce this. If there is vowel sound then we use an. So firstly pronounce ear. Ear. In this ear there is sound of e. So what is e? E is vowel. Okay, so that's why we use an here. Okay, so this is use of an. Now where we use a, we use a before the word in the starting where is consonant sound. Where is consonant sound then we use a. If there is vowel sound then we use an. And if there is specific thing, unique things, okay, then we use the. Okay, so now we will learn these articles by one activity. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so dear students, now I will show you one picture. You will tell me in the comment box that what is that thing. Okay? Hanji. See this picture. See this picture. What is this? This is girl. What is this? This is girl. Okay. So firstly pronounce it girl. So in this, in the starting there is sound of G. Girl. So see in this. Okay, see in this. Firstly tell me what is G. Is G is vowel or consonant? You know very well vowels are these five words and rest are consonants. So G is consonant. So before the consonant what we use? A. So what we will write? A girl. So I have written here a, an and the. Okay. Yes. So here is a girl. Yes. A girl. So we will put in the front of a. Okay, a girl. Okay, so dear students, next your next picture is, I will show this picture. Okay, you will tell me what is this. Hanji, what is this? Elephant. What is this? Elephant. So in this we will pronounce this. Okay, pronounce elephant. So in the starting there is sound of e. Sound of e. So now see in this, what is e? What is e? E is vowel. So with vowel what we use? An. Okay, so an elephant. Okay, so we will put in the front of an. Okay, so I am writing here. Okay, yes. Okay, so dear students, now I will show you one more thing. You will tell me what is that thing, and before that thing what you have to use from a, an or the. Okay, so see this picture. Yes, See this picture. What is this? This is earth. What is this? This is earth. But no doubt in the earth it starts from E. Okay, but this is unique. You know, this is unique because there is only one earth. Okay, so this is unique. For means this is specific thing. Okay, so before the specific thing, what we use? The. Okay, so we will put this in the front of the. Okay, so in the front of the. Yes. Now I will show you some more things. You will tell me what we have to use. Okay, so dear students, tell me what is this? What is this? What is this? This is calculator. Yes, calculator. So calculator, firstly pronounce it. And what is sound? Vowel sound or consonant sound? Calculator. C. Okay, C. C is not vowel. C is consonant. So with consonant what we use? A calculator. Okay, so that's why we will put this in the front of A. Okay, so one more thing for you. Dear students, tell me what is this? What is this? This is scissor. So scissor. Which sound is coming in the starting? Scissor. S sound. What is S? S is consonant. So with consonant what we use? A scissor. A scissor. So where we put this? In the front of A. A is here. So I will put here. Okay. Now one more thing. Hanji. Tell me what is this? What is this? What is this? This is eraser. Yes. Eraser. So firstly pronounce it eraser. Okay, so in the eraser, which sound is coming in the starting? E sound. Eraser. E sound. So what is E? E is vowel. So with vowels what we use? N and eraser. So where we put? We put in the front of N. Okay. So now one more thing for you. Yes. See this picture. This is a very small picture, but see this. See this picture and tell me what is this? What is this? This is picture of Taj Mahal. Picture of Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is only one. That is unique thing. Means only one thing. Means that is specific thing. Right. So with specific thing what we use? The. So where we put this Taj Mahal? In the front of the. Okay. Yes. One more thing for you. Dear students, what is this? What is this? Can you see? What is this? Sharpener. Yes. So which sound is coming? S. Okay. What is S? S is consonant. So with S, with consonant sound, what we use? A sharpener. Okay. So A where will be put? In the front of A. Okay. A sharpener. Yes. Now dear students, I hope all of you are understanding. So let's remind again where we use A, where we use N, where we use the. So before the words in which very starting in the beginning of the sound word, if there is vowel sound then we use N, if there is consonant sound then we use A, and if there are specific thing, unique things, then we use the. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind. Okay, thank you.